Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can top up demo fund on your Deriv account. If you have blown the default $10,000 that Deriv normally give you after creating a demo account, you need to top it up so that you can continue practicing trading before you invest your real money. So if you have not created an account with Deriv before, I have a link in the description of this video that you can use to set up a new account. So the first thing you need to do is to log in to your Deriv account, the specific account of which you have connected to your MT5. Also, I have a video on how to connect a Deriv demo account to MT5, so if you have not done that, you can consider checking the content. I will link it in the description of this video. So to top up a fund on your demo account, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Deriv account. Once you are logged in, then you'll be brought to this page. So once you are here, the next thing for you to do is for you to locate this button, Traders Hub, and click on it. So once you click on it, you allow it to load and you'll be brought to this page. If by default your real account is selected, you need to switch from real to demo. Then it will load up all the demo accounts you have. So you need to scroll down to CFD. Once you scroll down here, you will find this top up option, and then you click on it. You'll be asked to, okay, they are saying you can top up your Deriv demo account with additional $10,000 if your balance is $1,000 or less. So because I have up to $25,000, I cannot top up on this account. But in your case, you must have blown your Deriv demo account. So when you click on the top up button, this button is going to highlight it, and you'll be able to top up $10,000 on your Deriv demo account and continue practicing trading with a demo fund. So that is it for this video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly make sure you do that. I will be uploading video on more ways that you can trade synthetic indices and other ways that you can make money from Deriv aside from trading. So thank you and see you in the next video.